Hello and welcome to this London room tour vlog. I've decided to make this video because a lot of people are a bit curious as to what really goes down once you leave the comfort and the security that the halls has to offer. What is private accommodation really like in London? Now I'm here to shed light what a typical student is living in London. So this is what a typical student room will look like. Now first of all, we're going to do a bit MTV crib style, high energy, and let's go. Obviously we have a large window here which is really great. You can see the London skyline, which is beautiful for those picturesque sunsets, and it really lets a lot of light into the room. If we come over here to one of my favorite parts of the room, and that is the skylight, baby. That's right, you have light coming in here. It's really great on a sunny day. You can stay nice and relaxed. Also, you know, the great thing about this is that in the night, when the stars are shining, you know, you can look up, try find that shooting star and secure your wish of passing med school, because sometimes divine intervention is what is required, but obviously put in the work. Obviously we have a nice lovely sofa. I've done something special with this, put a little fur, it's not real fur so don't worry, we love the animals, blanket over it just to make it a bit more homely, the vibe. Also here we have a double bed. The double bed is king because you want to be in comfort, and I had a single bed in first year, and let me just tell you, the double bed life is really much better. The grass is definitely greener. If we pan over to here, the big bad desk, we have a beautiful IKEA's finest willow right here, and obviously we have the desk lamp, the chair is actually mine because, as always, comfort is king. And obviously we have a beautiful iPad Pro AirPods combination. If you want that video, comment that down below and it can be done. Now one of my favorite features about this room is the lighting, right? So here it's not just a simple on and off button, you actually have a dial, so you can really change up the moods, you know, make it a bit dimmer, make it a bit lighter. It's really great. So that's one major key that I love about this. Now if we just pan to the cupboards, I love what the guy has done with the place. He's made fitted cupboards. You have a full length mirror, so you really have all the space that you need, and the individual has actually maximized the available space, which is key because in London space is king, square footage is king, so he's really maximized the space, and I really love how he's done that, really making use of all the angles, etc. I managed to secure myself an ensuite. Yes, we managed to luck out, and we've got a beautiful large window, and I don't know why they've done that, because I have to keep the curtains constantly drawn to stop those peeping toms, if you know what I mean. I don't want them getting a little glimpse of this summer bod we got going on, so that's why the curtain is drawn. Okay. Thank you very much for tuning into another absolute banger of a video where I tried to show you guys a realistic insight into student life in London. Now I've absolutely risked my life trying to climb through that window to get content for you guys. It's criminal for you guys to leave without smashing that subscribe button. Make sure you like and subscribe to Tomorrow's Medic. Cheers!